These frames are all brothers and sisters. I place them here so that they have a sense of belonging to the house. But the trouble with this display, I see how I turn ugly by the years. This was me in 1950s.
Where?
Here. This was me in 1980. Okay. And this was me. This is me today with all the wrinkles.
Okay. Evolution.
Evolution. I'm what they call this? Vanishing species. What they call it? Endangered species. My brother had turned down all interviews. There's only one write-up on him because I wrote it myself. And my sister Melly, who ran the ballet school, she presented Broadway in ballet. Did The Sound of Music. The nuns are dancing. This is the South Pacific. And this is her. Okay?
Very beautiful.
And by the way, I was able to come here for vacation during martial law in 1977. I was front page news for the whole week. I'll tell you more about this if I don't forget later on when you are a student. And by the way, those of you from other parts of the country, I've been lecturing all over the country now. And in Manila, I lectured several times. In Dusit Tatal, 12 days, 18 days rather. So they're all for free.
Wow.
So I'm open for lectures. Now I'm being invited by St. Augustine Church, but I might not accept it. Now I'm talking fast. Now, I told you my secret. Now, I was the first Filipino to model a bikini for a publication which was released all over Asia. In fact, I got my copy in Singapore. But what I have here is only Xerox. Excuse me.
Okay. That's the secret there.
That was me before.
Oh, wow.
Okay?
Sexy.